Yes, people, welcome to our YouTube channel, and we're gonna compare two popular Adspy tools, and it's Adspy and Minea. And if you are searching for products but you don't know what product to choose, you can use an Adspy tool. But what Adspy tool? We're gonna compare Adspy and Minea in terms of pricing, features. We're gonna give you some pros, some cons. So keep looking to our video, and we gonna give you a clear conclusion at the end. So welcome again, and we're gonna dive into my computer. Let's go. Yes, people, welcome to my computer, and we're gonna give you a good comparison. And we're gonna start with the features. And Adspy has a database and a massive library of ads across Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms. It has an advanced search, the powerful search filters to find specific types of ads based on keywords, engagement metrics, and more. It has a competitor analysis and a detailed insight into competitors and ad strategies. It has a demographic data, information on audience, demographics, and targeting. And last one, it has a geo-targeting, an ability to see ads targeted to specific regions or countries. Well, we have, of course, on the other hand, Minea. And Minea has an ad database and extensive library of ads across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more. And ad analytics and detailed analytics on ad performance, including engagement metrics, reach, and audience demographics. It has trend analysis, identify trending ads and products in real time. The competitor analysis, track competitors' ad strategies and see what's working for them. Well, the filters and search, advanced filtering and search option to find specific types of ads. So that's nice. The pricing of Adspy, and that's important as well, of course. The single plan is $149 per month and includes all full access to all features and data. It has an annual plan, and that's almost €1,190 per year. So that's equivalent to $99 per month, and it's offering a discount for yearly commitment. Minea has a free plan, basic access with limited features, of course. It has a starter plan for $49 per month, includes access to most features with some limitations. And it has a pro plan for $99 per month, includes full access to all features and priority support. Well, the usability of Adspy. And Adspy offers a robust and feature-rich interface that is designed for power users. The dashboard is comprehensive, providing various tools and filters to find and analyze ads efficiently. The learning curve might be steeper for beginners, but the depth of information available is unmatched. Minea offers a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. The dashboard is well organized, making it simple to find and analyze ads. The tool also provides helpful tutorials and customer support to assist new users. Well, the data accuracy. Adspy is known for its vast and accurate data collection. It uses advanced algorithms to ensure that the data is up to date and reliable. The platform continuously updates its database, and it reflects the latest ads of trends. Well, Minea, on the other hand, Minea provides accurate and up-to-date data, leveraging advanced algorithms to ensure the reliability of ad performance metrics. The tool continuously updates its database to reflect the latest ads and trends. Alright, we're gonna go over to the pros and the cons, and then we have a summary and a recommendation. The pros and the cons. The pros of Adspy is extensive and detailed ad database, the powerful search and filter capabilities, a comprehensive demographic and geo-targeting data, reliable and accurate ad data, and some cons. Higher pricing compared to other tools, a steeper learning curve for new users, and then Minea. The pros of Minea are a more affordable pricing plans, real-time trend analysis, extensive competitor tracking, and user-friendly interface. Then we have some cons of Minea. Minea limited features in the free plan and a smaller ad database compared to Adspy. So that's something to consider. Are you gonna pay a smaller price for a little database? Or well, little database, well, it's a smaller database than Adspy. So the choice is yours. We have some summary. Adspy and Minea both offers a robust tool for ad discovery and analysis, but they cater to different needs and budgets. And you have to choose Adspy if you need access to a massive and comprehensive ad database. You require advanced search and filter capabilities, and you want detailed demographic and geo-targeting data. And at last, you are willing to invest a higher priced tool for extensive features. Well, on the other hand, you have to choose Minea if you are looking for an affordable ad spy tool, if you want real-time trend analysis and competitor tracking, and you want a user-friendly interface, and you are starting out or have a limited budget. Okay, the ultimate choice between Adspy and Minea will depend on your specific marketing needs, budget and experience level, of course. Both platforms offers available features that can enhance your ad campaigns and competitive strategy. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this detailed comparison of Adspy versus Minea has helped you decide which Adspy tool is best for your needs. If you found today's video helpful or informative, please give us a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any related content we create in the future. So guys, thanks and see you in the next time. Bye bye.